Saturday morning, and it's opening day of non-resident duck season in North Dakota. We're set up here. We got here about 4 in the morning. Make sure we got a spot. Had some competition. Some guys driving around. Just got here early. We're here about. We're all set up with 300 decoys, 400 decoys. So we're gonna hopefully kill some things today. We got 8 guys, 2 young kids hunting with us this year to do their first North Dakota hunt. My first North Dakota hunt, with their first time out ever. So should be a good time. Actually, we found a really nice spot for tomorrow. We found a flooded bean field out here that's not cut. So we'll see what we can do tomorrow night. We got the guys behind us. We got me, Ryan. We got CJ, Troy, Joe, Greg, and Sean, and his son back there looking at all the birds. We're going to clean them and eat some food and get up at 3 o'clock and do it all over again. So.